Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so hello, hello sa inyong lahat ng mga Sagittarius. Dahil para sa inyo itong love message na gagawin natin today. Alright. So, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Sagittarius na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated. Sana patuloy niyo pong suportahan by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Okay. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading. And sana sa mga bagong nakasubaybay, supportahan nyo rin po ang aking channel by subscribing para mag-grow pa ang aking channel at marami pa akong magawa love reading, love messages para sa inyo. So, para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos. Please like, share, and comment below. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ay ang 8-card spread kung saan bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck and 8 cards from the other deck. And interpret natin siya kung ano ba ang inyong love message ngayong second half ng May. Okay. So, just to remind everyone that this is a collective and general love reading. So, it may or may not resonate with all of you. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga nag-resonate ang reading, huwag pilitin. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko nasagot ng energy ninyo ngayon. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Or, panoorin ninyo yung mga past videos na nakapost dito sa Mystico Moreno channel. Baka isa din ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Better yet, book a personal private reading. Nasa description box yung email address ko. Okay yun kasi mas naka-tune in at naka-align yun sa energy ninyo. Okay, so simulan na natin ang reading dahil ayan, siguradong gusto nyo nang malaman anong message ng universe. I'll get the 5th card and ayan, dahil may pa rin naman ngayon. Ooh, King of Pentacles. There's so much abundance and stability in the relationship. At tignan natin kung ano ang nakakabit na card. Oh! Okay. Okay. Merong stability sana. Okay? Sana. Yeah. With the King of Pentacles, tapos 5 of Pentacles or 5 of coins showing up here na yung stability and abundance na meron kayo, suddenly nawala siya. Okay? There was a loss and a heartache stemming from that used to be so much abundance, stability, and success in the relationship. Okay? And faithfulness as well. Pero tingnan natin, ano yung mga kasunod na storya. Bakit nagkaroon ng loss and regret when it comes to the used to be abundance, faithfulness, stability, and happiness sa relationship? May nangyari for sure. The devil. That's why. Someone manipulated you in making you believe na nandun siya para suportahan ka, para alagaan ka, para protektahan ka, para mahalin ka. Kasi here with the 3 of coins showing up, 3 of coins is a card of growth, effort, collaboration. But apparently, your person has this devil energy na ginawa lang niya is minanipulate ka niya, pinakita niya na ganito kanya kamahal pero hindi naman pala talaga. After niya makuha yung gusto niya sa'yo, iniwan ka niya in the cold. Yan. Right? Medyo similar yung reading ninyo with Scorpio. Yan. Merong devil energy na minamanipula or minanipula kayo. Ano pa? See? Lumabas din to kay Scorpio. Na parang pinalabas na mahal kayo ng person pero hindi pala. Pero tingnan natin, lovers. See? Lovers in the world. So, you really fell in love with this person. Sobrang binigay nyo yung mundo nyo, lahat-lahat. With the world card and the lovers showing up here. Parang nag-all out talaga kayo. Kaya sobrang nasaktan din kayo nung na-realize nyo that everything was just an act, just manipulation tactics to get what they want from you. Whatever it is, your sensuality, your money, your purity, your trust, lahat na. See here, talagang na in love kayo no? With the world card, nakala nyo ito na yung happy ever after nyo with your person, tas biglang boom, diba? Parang binigay nyo yung lahat-lahat na siya yung naging center ng buhay nyo, naging mundo ninyo, tapos ganun lang yung mangyayari. Okay. Here with the Eight of Wands, and Two of Cups. Yeah. So, nagkaroon ng relationship at so much attraction between the two of you, and even there was so much excitement, tapos kala nyo nagpo-progress yung relationship. Pero again, it was just part of the act, okay, of the script na palabasin na sobrang, well, I can sense naman na there was attraction between the two of you, but pero mababaw siya, sobrang surface level yung attraction. And pero pinalabas pa niya na sobrang into you siya sa'yo. And alam mo na, nagpo-progress yung relationship, may momentum sa growth, ganito, ganyan. Yan. Pero hindi pala. See? Yan. Tapos biglang may tapos from a very Eight of Wands energy na tuloy-tuloy nagkakaroon ng momentum, biglang nagkaroon ng pause. Okay? At nagkaroon ng pause with the Hangman energy, and karoon ng pause, ng reflection, ng waiting and seeing na naganap. Okay? And because of the yung long-term potential, bigla siyang diba, parang nagpo-progress siya. Parang binibigyan niya kayo ng ganung perception or idea na, okay, this is going long term. So, biglang, oops, biglang hindi. Biglang na-stop. Okay? And then, yung nag-stop is yung mga, even the tangible actions like pag-text sa'yo, pagsundo sa'yo, pakikipag-date sa'yo, pakikipag-usap sa'yo, nung nakuha na yung gusto and yung long-term potential biglang naging, ay, anyari, Ganon yung feeling. And you felt na may disloyalty na nangyayari based din sa behaviors na pinapakita nung person ninyo. Kasi, yun nga yung abundance na kala nyo meron kayo, biglang nawala especially yung entry energy and entry cards. Tapos, di ba parang sobrang all out ninyo, medyo parang hindi nyo rin na expect or ano siya, parang hindi nyo nakita yung hindi nyo nakita yung mga red flags na nandyan na sa harapan ninyo mismo. So parang ang nakikita nyo is green flags, pero actually parang kung tutusin, parang ano lang siya, coated lang na green. Pero nandun nakikita nyo parang nagpipeel off na siya, tapos pag nakikita nyo yung ilalim, tapos or pinil nyo yung paint, red pala siya. Parang ganun. I mean, it's just metaphor doon. So, ang dami niyang red flags pala, ang dami na niyang manipulation na ginagawa, pero hindi niyo yung nakikita kasi nagpaka-all out na kayo, wala na rin kayong tinira sa sarili ninyo. So, yun. Tapos, nung kala nyo na magpa-progress na siya, tapos sobrang sa inyo, expected, tapos biglang, boom! Tapos nagtataka kayo bakit biglang hindi na ganito nung nakuha na yung ano man yung gusto sa inyo, tapos nabigay nyo siya dahil nga naging bulag kayo sa katotohanan, tapos kayo, all in kayo, dun na nagsimula na napapansin nyo na, bakit ganito yung mga dating ginagawa, wala na. Okay? Ay, may mga tao talaga na very mean. Okay? See? 7 of Wands. See? And 7 of Swords. Nagsabay pa siya. So, yeah. Medyo red flags. Mandaming toxic qualities nitong tao na to na hindi nyo nakita umpisa pa lang. 7 of Swords is a card of ganun din devil card energy din siya in more detail na may cheating na naganap. Okay? Possible na na-discover nyo na siya ngayon, pero nangyayari na siya umpisa pa lang. Pero dahil nga bulag kayo sa katotohanan, hindi nyo na papansin yung mga actions, behaviors niya na kung medyo mas naging malinaw yung paningin nyo. Kung hindi kayo nabulag sa pag-ibig, nakita nyo yun, napansin nyo na yun. Umpisa pa lang. Pero ito, yung 7 of Swords is a card of cheating, merong manipulation talaga. 7 of Swords is a card of manipulation. Tapos, you were deceived talaga na parang pinalabas nga niya talaga na gustong-gusto ko niya, na mahal ka niya. Okay? Just to get what he or she wants from you. Okay? Para here with the 7 of Wands, parang yung challenges, kung these are the challenges na na-overcome nyo sana kung mas naging malinaw yung view ninyo. Okay? Mas clear, mas may clarity. Mas nakita nyo sana yung totoo. Okay? So, nag-lead siya talaga into several challenges na hirap overcome, or kung parang may mga challenges din kayo, minamanipulate niya. See? The Sun. Okay. But don't worry. Okay. Darating pa rin yung happiness for you. Okay? So, I mean, not with this person, obviously. With that devil energy and a lot of manipulation going on here and cheating incidents pa. Deception na nangyari. This happiness with the Knight of Wands, you will regain your confidence din naman, or when you pursue the life without this person or a new love life, okay? Parang you will regain or get back the happiness na nawala. And tingnan natin, I want to see the last card na right away to have a better understanding. Ano ba tong happiness na to? Yeah. The Eight of Pentacles, which is success based from hard work and effort. Okay, yeah. Parang dito may wishful thinking kasi na gets ko na parang yun nga, dahil nga naging bulag kayo, hindi nyo nakita talaga or hindi kayo nakaalis agad dun sa situation. Pero, yeah, may wishful thinking kayo na after this, di ba, yung usual na panghihinayang, di ba? With the Seven of Cups here, kasi Eight of Pentacles is saying na there's success from the effort or dedication that you put into something, and that something is sana yun nga mas nag-effort ka sana to seek the truth, hindi yung kung ano lang yung binitawang mga salita parang pinaniwalaan mo na agad. Parang dapat naging mas vigilant ka or mas naging cautious ka in a way na mas naging wise ka sana. Yun parang yun yung yung Seven of Cups energy mo, or the wishful thinking, or sana na parang you could have done better, parang may ganung energy. Naging masaya ka sana. Naiwasan mo sana yung mga heartache, and you could have been happier now. Pero ito, again, as I told you earlier, na you will regain back that happiness. But again, once na wala na tong person sa buhay mo, or you pursued a different person. Okay? Alright? And that would lead also to success. Because Seven of Cups is also a card of indecisions. So you have parang this will shift to something better if you finally decided to let go of that person, move on, focus on yourself, focus on your healing, diba? Kasi you're hurt here eh. So, kung naman ba maging sobrang in love, tapos ma-realize mo na magiging cheating lang din pala yung kakakahinatnan and manipulation and deception, diba? Masakit siya. Nanakaw talaga yung happiness sa'yo. So, pero again, everyone has a choice. Everyone is or everyone has free will to do what is right. Okay? So, makakaiwas ka lang. Kala mo naman kung ano yung tamang gawin. So, makakaiwas ka lang sa pain if you also decide. Pero, yun. So, sana nakatulong tong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa akin channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo. Use this reading with discernment, Anyway, kita-kits. Ingat.